Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prevent dandruff, prevent hair loss, and also shine your hair using onion water. With me here, I have two different kinds of onion, the white one and the purple one. As we all know, some say onion purple, so here is the purple onion. With cut off the thin onion, cut off the head. Make sure the onion is clean. And you can actually use any of the onion available, but with me I'll be using the two. Next thing is to cut the onions into smaller pieces, chop it off. I pack it into a blender. Next, I'll add little water to enable it to blend well. Just a little. Next, I'm going to sieve the onion using my net. And why I'm using the net is to prevent any onion particle from going into the water, and I'm folding it. Now I will gently squeeze out the water. And here with me is the onion water. Next thing, I get my petroleum jelly, and why I'm adding this to it is to help add moisture to the hair. And you can either use the petroleum jelly or use any oil of your choice, like almond oil, coconut oil, or olive oil, anyone available at the end. These are petroleum jelly. Now you'll notice that the petroleum jelly is not mixing with the onion water. It's still floating. Like mine here, so I don't even want to go in. So the next thing to do to help it melt is to get your hot water, put the mixture into the water to help the petroleum jelly mix well, melt and mix well. Get your boiled water, here it's mine, and then place the mixture into the water, and be careful not to burn your hand. Better still, you cover it and allow it to melt. Let the heat do the work.
Okay.
Let's check our mixture to see how it's going. And here is it. And here is our mixture ready. Get your spray bottle to prevent staining everywhere. Use this. Next is to cover it. And here is it, ready to use. Spray this on your hair, massage it in. As you can see, I'm doing mine. And you can leave this on your hair for at least 30 minutes, depending on the duration you want, before washing it off. And to get a better result of this, you try 2 to 3 times a week, and for the duration of 2 to 3 months. Before and to get a better result of this, you try 2 to 3 times a week, and for the duration of 2 to 3 months. Before we go, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification to enable you know when I post new video.